Hi, I'm Dr. Shane Keaveney. I'm from Croom Medical, so we're a medical device manufacturer in Ireland. A subcontract manufacturer, we do a lot of kind of high precision machining, such as grinding, sliding head turning, multi-axis machining with 5-axis machines, and also additive manufacturing for medical device industry. My role is I'm the R&D manager at Croom, so I deal with a lot of our research projects, trying to also look at new technologies and maybe new products that customers want to see if they can manufacture with us. So we're actually involved with a cluster called IDEAM. They're based in Limerick in Ireland, and we're one of their members, and they continuously kind of recommend funds for us to get involved with, areas where we can get money for our research. So it's actually through IDEAM that we heard about this initially. Quite good, yes. We had good responses when we looked for feedback and sort of more information. Found the process quite good. It was a reasonably clear application to fill in. It was very well kind of explained as what the reviewers were looking for, so quite good. I found it quite good. So I think the biggest problem with any digital twin is the data and the labeling of data. So getting good, clean, reliable data is one of the biggest challenges. So we had issues with that, from getting good data from our machines for one. This can sometimes be quite a challenge, especially if the machine tool manufacturers say not kind of as set up as you might like them to be to give data out from the machine. And the other issue here is that we actually try to get data from our operators too, through our ERP system, and that can be sometimes challenging because we have to check the reliability of the data. So that was actually a big challenge during our project, was to look at that data, check the reliability, and also then try and clean that up and improve it through working with our operators actually. So our project took around 6 to 7 months. So over that time we've done our kind of review, our design, our implementation. Our core implementation was really over like a 2-month period, 2 or 3 month period, when we had everything set up and we'd done our testing and validation. So the first couple of months were really like figuring out what we wanted to do, the requirements, design, and then the latter half was more implementation. We had quite good input at the initial stages of trying to make our project plan, which was very useful. They helped us to identify some of the key risks within the project, and that was actually useful further down the line when we encountered some of those risks. So that was actually quite helpful for us. Well, it's been quite a success. So we've had reduction in scrap, overall increase in our actual output from our processes, but more so it's given us quite good insights into our processes. So it's kind of set us up for a bit of a framework that we could apply to other processes within the factory. So we see this as like a pilot we've done on one line, and now we can transfer that over. So there's been quite good benefits, and it's not really just in kind of churning through the numbers, it's also been in being able to put those into a format that different people in the business can see. So from operators to production managers to management. So quite useful overall. Yes, of course, change to funding has been very, very good for us. I think it's a great opportunity for companies to explore potential areas where they could implement digital twins. So I would definitely recommend it.